current political situation, noting that the country was facing actually the country was facing pressing issues such as hunger.
Today is International Day for Women. I stand here first to salute the great woman in my life, my mother. She's 93. She's still living, and she lives with her husband, my father, who is 95.
President William Ruto pronounced himself publicly and openly that he's going to manage public debt. Since he came to power, I'm not aware of any external borrowing that has been done. Maandamano is not going to help this country. We went to elections, we got elected, some won, some didn't. The country has moved on. The members of the opposition in parliament, I can assure you as the speaker, are doing a commendable oversight job. And I'm really happy with them. They're vibrant, they're eloquent, they're incisive, and I give them all the time they require to oversight the executive.
So now, in a new bid to improve water distribution and management across the country, the government has rolled out